Good morning. My name is Jenny Alvarado. I live in Bogota. I am a student on the foreign language and I have selected the letter A. Now we are going to be focused in the truth tables. Welcome. Here we are going to be focused on the truth tables that has different letters. In this case, we can find P, Q, and R. That's the reason because we have three columns here. And according to the quantity or the amount of the letters, we are going to have the result of these lines. That is true, 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 fourth, and false, 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 fourth as well. The same one is going to be for Q, but in this case it's going to be true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And at the end there is R column is going to be true, false, true, false. The same one like this. Now we are going to be focused on the negative statements or preposition. That in this case is going to be the contrary of the Q column. And this part is true, so it's going to be false now. The same one, true, and then false. In this case is false, then we are going to find truth, the same one, and the next propositions. Now we are going to be focused in the parenthesis exercise, that it will be P and Q. This connector is and or conjunction. That means that both of these statements is going to be truth to get the result truth as well. For example, John give me candies and give me flowers is going to be truth. But if John give me candies but doesn't give me flowers is false statement or preposition result. Then we are going to be focused on the negative of Q column and the column of R. Here we find another connector that is O or disjunctive. In this case, it's possible that one of the statements or the preposition may be false or true to be truth. But if both of the statements is false, the result is going to be false. For example, in that case, true and true is going to be true. But in the case for false and false, the result is going to be false. At the end, we are going to be focused in the result of this parenthesis and in this case the next one parenthesis that is going to be here. And the connector for this exercise is if, then, the result. We are going to work with the result of this part and of this parenthesis. That is this column and this column. For example, in this case, the rule says that if maybe this proposition or statement is true, but the next one is false, the result is going to be false. But if it's true, like in this case, it's going to be true as well. In another case, the first part is false, but The another one is false as well. It's going to be true as well. In this case, the result it is a contingency. Why? Because it has truth and false statements or propositions.